Hello students, welcome back to online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today we are going to start with the first chapter of final term, that is chapter 5, decimal representation of rational numbers. And the very new topic is decimal representation. We have already learned that starting from the ones place, as you proceed left, the place value of every digit keep increasing 10 times. Similarly, starting from the ones place, as we proceed right, the place value of every digit keep decreasing 10 times. The place value chart from thousand to thousands is given over here. You can see a place value chart over here. So this is the decimal place. So when we are going to shift towards left, so every time the value keeps on decreasing by increasing by 10. So 1, 10, 100 and 1000. So when we are going to move towards left, the value will keep on decreasing by 10. You can see the chart and find out the value of the various numbers. So over here I have taken some examples and I am going to explain you how we are going to write the given number in expanded form, and if the number is given in expanded form, how we are going to write it in the form of a decimal. So the first example is write 4568.976 in expanded form. So as we move towards left, so it is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So first of all I am going to write 4 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 8 into 1 plus, now after decimal the numbers keep on decreasing, so it will become 9 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100 plus 6 upon 1000. So it can be written as 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 8 plus 9 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100 plus 6 upon 1000. Thousand it will be 10, 100 and 1000. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let us move to another example, that is write the given numbers in decimal form. Over here the numbers are given in expanded form. You have to write the given number in decimal form. For this you simply have to add all the numbers. So first of all I am going to write it as 9000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.06 plus 0.009, and simply we are going to add it. Now see the method how we are going to add the numbers. 9000 0.000, 800 0.000, 90 0.000, 2.000, after that 0.5, after that 0.060, after that 0.009. Now we are going to add it. So it will become 965.2989. So the decimal form will be 9892.569. This is the decimal form. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us move to another topic, that is converting rational numbers to decimal numbers. So how we are going to convert a rational number to decimal number? To convert a rational number into a decimal, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the least number such that the denominator becomes a power of 10. Now over here you can see the denominator is 5 and 4. So I have to find such number by which I am going to multiply 5, so the denominator becomes the power of 10. So the same number that we are going to multiply by 5, we are going to multiply it by 6 also. So let us see with the help of an example. So if I have to convert 5 into a power of 10, so I am going to multiply this 5 by 20 over here and 6 by 20 over here. So it will become 120 upon 520 is a 100. So you can see the denominator has become the power of 10. So what we are going to do, we can see there are two zeros over here. So if I have to remove this 0, I am going to write it as 1.20. So 6 upon 5 is being converted into decimal form. Let us see another example. 3 upon 4. If I am going to multiply 4 by 25 and 3 by 25, so it will become 75 upon 100. So it can be written as 0.75. I hope both the examples are clear to everyone. Let us move to another topic, that is terminating and non-terminating decimals. So what are terminating decimals? Rational numbers in which the division terminates and which have a fixed decimal part are called finite or terminating decimals. It means that if we are dividing any number and if the remainder is coming 0, that is called terminating decimal. So let us see with the help of an example. Convert 1 upon 5 and 6 upon 5 into decimal. So let us convert it. 5 divided by 1. Since 1 is less than 5, so I am going to add 0 point over here. So and I am going to add 0. 5 2s are 10. So you can see that there is no remainder. So it terminates completely. Let us move to another example, that is 5 1s are 5. 1. Now 1 is less than 5, so I am going to add a point over here and I will add 0 over here. So 5 2s are 10. So you can see there is no remainder left. This means that the number is being divided by the given number completely without leaving any remainder. So this is called terminating decimals. Let us move to another topic, that is non-terminating decimals. What are non-terminating decimals? Rational numbers in which the division process does not end and the decimal digits keep repeating are called non-terminating repeating decimals. Means if you are doing any sort of division and the number is repeating again and again and again the remainder is coming, that is called non-terminating decimals. So let us make your concept more clear by taking some example. So over here I have taken two examples, convert into decimal. The first one is 4 upon 15. So if I am going to divide 4 by 15, since 4 is less than 15, so I am going to put a decimal and add 0 over here. So 15 2s are 30. 1 0. Now if I am going to add 0 over here, what will happen? 15 6 are 90. Again if I am going to add 0, 15 6 are 90. Again I am going to add 0. What will happen? 15 6 are 90. So you can see that again and again the number is repeating again and again. So this is called non-terminating decimals. So we can see that the number 6 is repeating again and again. So it can be written as 0.2666 or it can be written as 0.26. Above 6 we are going to put a bar, or Above 2 we are going to above 6 we are going to put a dot. This bar or dot indicates that the number 6 is repeating again and again. Let us move to another example, that is 2 divided by 11. Now again 2 is less than 11, so I am going to put a decimal over here and I will add 0. 11 ones are 11. What is the remainder? 90. 11 eights are 88. 2 0. 11 ones are 11. Again 9 is the remainder. Again I am going to add 0. 11 eights are 88. 2 0. 11 ones are 11. Again 9 is the remainder, so I am going to add 0 over here. 11 eights are 88. So we can see that these two parts 1 8 1 8 1 8 is repeating again and again. Again and again the remainder is coming 2. So this is called non-terminating decimal. So 0.181818 can be written as 0.18 bar, or it can be written as like this. Make it bar. 0.18. Above 18 we are going to put a bar. This shows that 18 is repeating again and again. I hope all the topics are clear to everyone. Next time when we are going to meet, I am going to start with a new topic. Till then, be safe and goodbye.